Hello everyone, my name is Zadvik. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing experiment of fragrant mini soaps. Equipment required is stirring step, soap molds, measuring cylinder, food colors, food scent, glycerin flakes, microwave or pan. Equipment required is glycerin flakes, food coloring, swirling stick, green apple scent, container and mold. Now let's start the experiment. Take the glycerin flakes into small pieces and fill the measuring cylinder with them. No touching. Second number is microwave the glycerin flakes for 10 seconds at the time until they melt. Watch carefully to make sure the glycerin flake doesn't boil over. No microwave is available, and ask an adult to place the measuring cylinder on boiling water. Oh my God. Let's put these glycerin flakes in the microwave for 10 seconds. And 1 or 2 drops of color and 4 drops of food scent into the melted glycerin flakes. Stir well and pour it into the mold. It's kind of, we can't boil it out. Now we have to add 4 drops of apple scent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now stir it well. जम जा रहा है. So our soap is ready. We will try to get it out and try to wash this soap with our hands. So our soap is ready. Did you see when you wash your hands with soap and water, the ladder washes away your dirt, oil? Science behind this. Soaps are made up of salts and fatty acids. One part of the soap's particles attacks water and the other part attacks salt. Thus it removes the oil and dirt from a hand, mixes it with the water and washes away. Next time, make your own soap and take a bath. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Hope you have learned something new today.